It works. How's it, guys? It's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining with me. This is a 2012 Toyota Camry SE with 170,000 miles, and today I'm going to replace the shifter light and the license plate light. So let's do this. Lights done, spark plugs done. So this one's not working. This one's working. Use this. This one out. Next one out. So right here. Press down, pull, press, and press and push in. Go. There we go. Just like that. Pull that one out. Okay, it's in. Get in there. And see if it works. Yep, it works. Good. Get in. That's done. Alright, now what we're gonna do, get a bulb here. Up. Take out the shift knob. Good. This up. Dang. Press the brake. Neutral. E-brake is on. Focus right here. Put it in. Just like that. Turn on the light. It's working. Okay, back. Good. There's the burnt bulb right there. Put this back. Good. Bark. That's done. Next is brake flush.